Welcome back. For this exercise, we will install Python on a Windows 10 machine. But before I do so, I want to make sure that Python is not installed in this machine. So that means we're starting with a machine that has no Python in it. And we will go through the process of installing afterwards. And then we will install an IDE or an integrated development environment such as PyCharm and use it and go ahead and test our first example programming in Python using PyCharm on a Windows 10 platform. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is check the computer itself if it has any version. So let me just go to CMD, the command, and check if it has a version of Python already installed in it. So one way to do this is you could type Python -v. Now, if I get an error message like this, it says there is no such file, okay? We can go ahead and also check maybe within the installed software on this computer to see if we have that. So we can go over here and then you can go to Control Panel. And under Control Panel, let's click here. We're going to Programs, okay? And where it says uninstall a program, so that would be a good place to start because then it will show you what is installed and what is available for you to uninstall. So I'm going to go over here, and as you can see, this is the software that I have, and Python is nowhere in there. All right, fantastic. So for the next segment, I will show you how to install Python by downloading the file from the internet. I'll see you then.